To build this animation, we'll quickly start by creating the gradient. For that, firstly, let's create a solid. Keep it as black, press on OK. On top of this, we just need to add a shape. For that, select the pen tool from the top. Start creating a shape like this. Perfect. You can make this smooth as well. Okay, this looks good. Just drag it a little up. Now take 2 copies of this. For this one, just drag it a little down, somewhere over here. Change the fill to a lighter shade. Perfect. And this one, drag it further down, like this. And we have to give it a much lighter shade. Perfect. So selecting the layer, just add the Gaussian blur on top of it. Untick this box and keep this around 250. Beautiful. Now simply copy this and paste it on the other 2 layers. Nice. Now to give it that premium look, simply add an adjustment layer, and on top of this, just add the grain. Perfect. In the viewing mode, just choose it as final output. Then in the intensity, just keep it as 2. Beautiful. Now let's add the word over here. I'll be writing motion. Select all. Let's keep it as byte. Nice. Position this in the center. Perfect. Now making this 3D, you have to rotate this. So press on R. Perfect. Something like this. -68. Let's rotate this as well around -2 or -3. Perfect. And this one can be -25. Nice. Let's make the size little bit bigger. Perfect. Now let's take a copy of this by pressing on Command D. For the bottom one, we'll keep this as black. And on the top layer, going to effects, let's add CC smear. This one. Drag and drop this. Perfect. Now opening this up in the effects, in CC smear, you see these 2. Holding Option or Alt, just click on the stopwatch and just paste the script. Perfect. So as you can see over here, we have just connected the from to the to. That way, if you make any changes over here, you can see it will impact this 2. Then you can keep this somewhere over here in the middle. Let me zoom in. At the beginning, it can be somewhere over here, like this. Add a keyframe in from. It can be somewhere over here. Then at 2 seconds, we can take it all the way to the right, like this. And again at 4 seconds, we can bring it back. Perfect. Selecting all the keyframes, just press up F9 to give it that easy ease. Finally, to give it that smoothness, coming to radius, let's keep this around 600. Perfect. Now at this point, let me keep this somewhere over here. Perfect. Now if you observe, nice. Again, at this point, you can keep this all the way to the right. Beautiful. If you want to increase this distance in this effect, you can simply make it 60 instead of 45. Perfect. So that's it guys for this short tutorial. Let me know in the comments if you loved the video and want me to cover more like this in future.